Now we've got a little shower approaching Ipswich, one that's come through Essex. As you can see, it's moving off to the north. Otherwise, a lot of the area is rain-free for the moment, but see a couple of showers sneaking into eastern Connecticut. There's one more chunk of showers around Long Island. This is the upper level circulation, and it lifts across the region this evening. So we could still have another couple of showers or downpours between now and about 8 or 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. After that, it all lifts north. We will rapidly clear, and you'll have a day of bright sunshine from start to finish tomorrow, and also clear skies to start Saturday. During Saturday afternoon, some patchy clouds will start to move in, and that's the forerunner of the next weather change, which will be arriving during Sunday afternoon and evening. Now, a wind advisory has been posted. This is for tonight until 1 a.m. as that final chunk of showers comes through and the storm moves north. The wind field is increasing, and so therefore we could get some gusts over 30 miles an hour. Even now, we're getting gusts to 20 plus from Worcester westward. That's where the wind is out of the west. But the actual center of circulation's over here. So we have an easterly wind up around coastal New Hampshire and Maine. But as it moves north, intensifies, then the gusty westerly wind will overspread the rest of the region this evening. So here you see projected gusts 25, 30 miles per hour. There'll be a few even higher than that. And that continues until about dawn. The winds will be a little bit less during the morning commute and a lot less midday and tomorrow afternoon. So when you combine that with bright sunshine, it's going to be unlike these last 3 days we've had. It's going to be bright and beautiful out there tomorrow. Now, it's also turning a bit cooler as the wind switches to the west-northwest. It's 56 now in Boston. The wind has picked up to 15 miles per hour. It's actually dropped into the upper 40s in the Berkshires and the higher elevations of Worcester County. So it's cool air coming in, gusty winds, and that's replacing the incredible humidity that we had for this time of the year. Now you see the dew points really falling off. So it's going to be comfortably cool and bright for your day tomorrow. Now you still see the risk of showers through 10 p.m. tonight here in Boston, and then the skies are completely clear toward morning. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s here and some low 40s in the suburbs. And tomorrow, a beautiful day. Bright sun, pleasant. Will be right around 60 degrees for a high temperature tomorrow. So sharp contrast to today. Goodbye to this storm. Hello to a couple of days of nice weather, meaning Friday and Saturday. But this particular storm will make its approach on Sunday. And so Sunday will have deteriorating conditions. The first of the showers probably beginning in the afternoon. But the core of that rain is likely to be Sunday night, accompanied by strong winds. So we have Sunday as an impact weather day, but it's primarily for what happens later in the day and at night. And some damaging wind gusts are definitely possible Sunday night. Monday, a very windy day with the rain rapidly ending early. And then Tuesday and Wednesday look tranquil, which is good news, of course, for Halloween. It'll be a close call whether the Patriot game is concluded before the first of the rain moves in from the next system. And it will be increasingly breezy during the course of the game. Marie?